love the sea, the coast path, the whole of creation. Now I feel the mountains are my friends and brothers. I need to walk on the prosiect.
It was absolutely covered a minute ago with cloud. It's changing by the second here.
I've been working on the ddogfenni Euraidd Preseli Heartlands Communities project for the last 3 years. So this project is Heritage Lottery funded and it's being delivered by Planed, and lots of elements have been in partnership with Span Arts, so the creative elements mostly of the project.
Dwi'n artist a dwi wedi bod yn gweithio gyda celfyddydau Sban a Planed ar y prosiect yma, sef Cân y Ffordd Euraidd.
So over the course of the summer we've been working with the Preseli communities, visiting different areas and discussing different topics and trying to find a response really to the Preseli area, its heritage, its people, its culture.
Cyfweld â bobl yn eu cymunedau, cyfweld â bobl wrth eu gwaith ac wrth wneud hynny creu cerddoriaeth newydd. A dyna beth ni wedi trio wneud yn ystod y prosiect yma.
To collaborate with other people, other musicians, and actually produce something and make a contribution seemed an opportunity too good to miss.
I'm a fairly creative person. I like to think of myself as an artist, poet and bricklayer.
Learning about the Rebecca riots and visiting the cowshed where it was all planned was just sent shivers up my back. It was wonderful.
During the lockdown, I'd said to my partner, I really need to learn the mountains that I can see when I travel to St Clair's. So it just seemed the right joining to experience and learn, and every 2 weeks I've learned something different. Arriving is like a change. You're after quiet and something different. The Preseli Mountains can give.
These last 2 days have been epic. I mean, they've been epic. Dwi ddim yn credu beth ni wedi llwyddo creu a recordio mewn 2 diwrnod. So much new, amazing material has emerged from these lovely people in the last 2 days. We've got duets, we've got trios, we've got improvised music, we've got beautiful pieces and songs and instrumental music, we've got choral music, we've got huge ensemble numbers, we've got spoken word, we've got poetry, we've got soundscapes. Mae siwr gymaint yr credigrwydd yn byw mewn cymuned yma. And letting those doors open and holding it so that everybody realises, you know, this is trysor, this is real treasure.
It connected me to my roots in a way that I didn't expect. Cân y Ffordd Euraidd. Well, because I'm a musician, I play drums, I sing, I write poetry, I make felted pictures. It gave me a confidence to create more things about the Preselis, to create more art, to create more music, to create more poetry. I found it deeply inspiring.
When I joined the project, uppermost in my mind was the music. But I've thoroughly enjoyed it all, learning about the area, the walks, and then especially the Golden Road walk, Foel Dragon to Foel Cwm Cerwen. Amazing, fantastic.
Roedd Wrando, wrth gwrs, yn fardd enwog iawn ac yn gysylltiedig ar ardal ma o Ogledd Sir Benfro. Mae'r geiriau a'r gerddoriaeth yn plethu ac yn priodi a'i gilydd yn arbennig o dda. Dewis perffaith o eiriau a cherddoriaeth ar gyfer rhaglen fel hon.
I'm a radio producer by profession. My roots are in Mynachlog Ddu. My family comes from Mynachlog Ddu. It's wonderful to come back and learn about the area, things that we were probably told by our grandparents, but we never took any notice of. It's such a wonderful place. We've just produced a tangnefeddwyr from scratch, and a scratch choir. You don't know what to expect, but what actually happened was rather wonderful.
Right, stop. That lle Bas, you come down.
So dwi'n credu bod lle fel Tafarn Sync yn lle perffaith i wrando ar y faled i ddechrau da. I cael gwrando arno fe fel gymuned a edrych ar gwynebau pobl a beth mae pobl yn meddwl a edrych ar y dagre, edrych ar pobl yn werthu'n wrth gwrando ar y peth a falle y pobl sydd wedi bod yn chlwm wrtho fe, bod nhw'n cofio y sgyrsiau hynny. So dwi'n credu bod hwnna'n manhidol.
Well, yes, as we were saying, every farmer will be offered compensation. Yeah, they will be...
Oedd e'n emosiynol iawn i fod yn onest, oedd e'n ddoniol, oedd bach na fe, falle bach yn drist hefyd, ond na, oedd e'n brofiad gwych i gael clywed popeth, ar rhan wedi wneud yn yr holl broses, mewn yn ganol popeth arall. Oedd e'n, fel o'n i'n gweud, yn emosiynol iawn, o'n i'n teimlo dagren bach yn dechrau dod ar brydiau. Na, oedd e'n werth i wneud, oedd e'n ffantastig, o'n i'n meddwl bod e'n gret.
Deud nhw wan, deud nad magu wyn fydden ni'n gwneud ffordd hyn, ond magu yn neud, ia. Gentlemen, my friend here wants to inform you that we don't just nurture lambs in this area, but we nurture souls.
I think it probably reminded me of my childhood, really, of being surrounded by that dialect, that way of speaking.
The landscape and the people and the community just being completely melded together. It was a beautiful, beautiful piece of work.
It felt like a real adventure, a real journey around the area. I really enjoyed it.
What's already really obvious is that you are flowing with music.
Modern, but also very old. So it's a very beautiful thing that brings the past and the present all together.
Family, I had thought that the two versions of Christianity were at opposite ends of a very broad spectrum.
I didn't know what I was coming to, but I've walked away feeling really positive and, yeah, really inspired about living in this part of West Wales.
9th century, it is known that the people of Pembrokeshire were very reluctant to give up their Catholic faith and kept a lot of the old traditions.
Mae'r holl emosiynau wedi bod ar waith, mae hiraeth yno. Wrth gwrs mae hiraeth yn rhywbeth sy'n perthyn i'r gorffennol, mae'n deillio o'r gorffennol, ond mae fe hefyd yn ymwneud â'r dyfodol. Ac ar sail hiraeth y gorffennol mae llunio'r dyfodol, dwi'n teimlo.
Dwi wedi mwynhau y ffordd mae pobl wedi parchu gwybodaeth pobl eraill ac yn barod i wrando ac hefyd yn barod i rannu. Ac mae hwnna wedi wneud y prosiect mor gyfeillgar a mor agored ac mae wedi syni fi faint mae pobl wedi eisiau ymroi i'r prosiect. Mae jyst wedi codi calon i fod yn rhan ohono fe.